Hello students, I am Vinod Kumar Garg, working as professor in the Department of Environmental Science and Technology, Central University of Punjab, Bathinda. We are offering a MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. This is a structured course of 15 weeks and this course is having 4 credits. In the first week of this course, we are having 3 modules. The first module is on waste types and classification. Second module is on waste sources and their generation rates. And third module is on traditional methods of waste collection and disposal. In first module, we will learn that what is a waste. In this module, we will try to define solid waste. We will learn that how waste has been defined by different national and international agencies. Similarly, we will learn that how solid waste has been defined by different international agencies, national agencies, as well as how the solid waste has been defined in the Solid Waste Management Handling Rules 2016. In addition to this, we will learn that how waste can be classified. We know that waste can be classified in a number of ways. We will particularly emphasizing on the classification of waste on the basis of their source, on the basis of their type and on the basis of their properties. The second module is on waste sources and generation rates. In this module, we will learn in detail about different sources of the solid waste, that from where the solid waste is generated. In addition to this, we will learn that how much quantities of the solid waste are generated in different cities of India. Then we will learn about the solid waste generation rate calculation. This is very important topic, because based upon this we can calculate that how much quantities of the solid waste are generated in a city, in a particular area, as well as in a nation, and based upon that we can decide that how do we plan for future. We will also learn in brief about different factors which influence this solid waste generation and solid waste generation rate. In third module, that is on traditional methods of waste collection and disposal. In this module, first we will learn that what is the difference in waste disposal and waste management. Then we will learn about solid waste collection, its importance and traditional methods of solid waste disposal. Along with this, we will also learn about ocean dumping and its effects on the ocean environment. In addition to this, we will learn about the different laws or different regulations which have been enacted by different countries to deal with the solid waste problem. And we will also learn about different methods which are practiced at present by different countries, including India, regarding solid waste disposal and solid waste management. Although we will be learning about these methods in detail later on in the next modules. Then we will be studying slightly about the Solid Waste Management Handling Rules 2016. I hope you will enjoy this first week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. Thank you.